Hey Natural Method YouTube, do you feel like someone is stepping you along your hands? Is this combined with numbness? If you have nerve weakness due to peripheral neuropathy, I'm going to show you how to get rid of the pain. Imagine how much better you will feel once the stepping pain stops. Let's get started. Both fingers and tap on the side of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will feel the tension as you tap. This is normal. 3, 4, 5. Now on top of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the side of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to make an Om sound to send vibration to the brain to stimulate the nerve. Ready? 1. Om. 2. Om. 3. Om. 4. Om. 5. Om. 1. Om. 2. Om. 3. Om. 4. Om. 5. Om. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and drop your hands down with a palm pushing outward, and bend your knee at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go for it as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Stretch your arms all the way back. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1. Make sure you stretch to the tension point and relax.